Why do some Toyotas stay trouble-free for decades while others always end up in the shop? We've all seen it. A Toyota with hundreds of thousands of miles still running like a dream, while another struggles to make it past 300,000 miles. What makes the difference? Some owners enjoy years of smooth, worry-free driving, while others get hit with expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. So, what's really going on? In this video, I'm breaking down 6 crucial maintenance tips that can keep your Toyota running strong for the long haul. Stick around until the end, because missing just one of these tips could mean the difference between a car that lasts a lifetime and one that ends up in the shop too soon. Let's dive in. 6. Don't follow Toyota's recommended oil change interval. Your engine oil is the most important fluid in your Toyota. It lubricates all the moving parts inside the engine, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Toyota recommends a 10,000-mile oil change interval for some models, but most drivers don't qualify for that due to stop-and-go traffic, short trips, and extreme weather. The best practice? Change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Doing this will help prevent oil sludge buildup, clogged VVTi components, and excessive oil consumption as your car ages. Using high-quality oil is important, but don't fall for expensive marketing gimmicks. Toyota's OEM oil is a great choice. 5. Transmission fluid. Don't overdo or ignore it. Your transmission is one of the most expensive components to replace, so taking care of it is a must. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't get contaminated as quickly, but that doesn't mean you should ignore it. The ideal interval for replacing automatic transmission fluid in a non-hybrid Toyota is every 60,000 miles or 6 years. For hybrid models, the recommended range is 60,000 to 90,000 miles, since their transmissions work differently. The key here is balance. Changing it too frequently can strip away essential clutch material, while never changing it can lead to clogged valves and poor shifting. Always use Toyota's OEM transmission fluid to ensure compatibility and avoid transmission issues. 4. Keep your engine coolant fresh. Engine coolant is more than just temperature control. It protects your engine from corrosion and internal wear. Over time, coolant breaks down and turns acidic, which can eat away at seals, gaskets, and even the engine block itself. Toyota originally recommended changing coolant every 50,000 miles or 5 years, but newer models list 150,000 miles as the interval. Don't wait that long. A 50,000 mile or 5-year change is the safest approach to prevent water pump failures, head gasket issues, and cooling system leaks. If you drive a hybrid, don't forget about the inverter coolant, which keeps the hybrid system cool. Ignoring coolant maintenance can lead to expensive repairs, so stay on top of it. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit that like button to let me know. And if you want more expert car care advice to keep your Toyota running strong, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to it. 3. Brake fluid every 3 to 5 years. Many people forget about brake fluid, but it's crucial for your car's stopping power and safety. Unlike oil, brake fluid doesn't just get dirty, it absorbs moisture from the air over time, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking performance. If the fluid becomes too contaminated, your brakes might feel spongy or even fail under hard braking. The best practice is to replace brake fluid every 3 to 5 years, even if your brakes seem fine. This interval ensures your braking system remains responsive and reliable, reducing the risk of brake failure in emergency situations. 2. Spark plugs. Don't change too early, Yeri, or too late. Spark plugs are small but essential to engine performance. They ignite the air-fuel mixture, and worn-out plugs can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and sluggish acceleration. For most Toyota models, replace spark plugs every 120,000 miles. However, for some V6 models like the 2GR FKS engine, the interval is 60,000 miles. Always use OEM spark plugs to ensure proper fitment and avoid performance issues. If you haven't hit the mileage limit in 10 years, at least remove and reinstall the plugs to prevent them from seizing inside the engine. 1. Regular inspections. Don't ignore your car. Even if you follow every maintenance interval, small issues can still arise, and catching them early saves you from expensive repairs. A yearly professional inspection, or DIY if you're knowledgeable, can help you spot coolant leaks, oil seepage, worn belts, and failing components before they cause major damage. Many drivers assume their Toyota will last forever without inspections, but preventative care is key to long-term reliability. Get into the habit of checking your engine bay and under the car at least twice a year to stay ahead of any potential issues.